Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick video, I'm going to show you exactly how to clean the Samsung dishwasher model DW80R5060US in 2026. So over time, the dishwashers collect the grease, food particles and the minerals buildup. So this can lead to bad odor, poor cleaning performance and sometimes the drainage issues. So a proper clean is going to fix all of these problems. So in order to clean it, first of all, you need to start by removing all the dishes and pulling out the bottom rack. Check for any kind of visible debris like food scraps or buildup at the bottom. Now you need to simply twist or lift out the filter assembly at the base. Rinse it under warm water and gently scrub off the grease or the particles. A clogged filter is one of the main reasons for the poor performance. Now you need to simply check for the spray arms. If the holes are blocked, the water won't spray properly. So you need to remove them and rinse thoroughly. You can also use a toothpick to clear any of the blocked holes. Now you need to also use a soft cloth to wipe the inner walls, door edges and rubber gasket. This removes grease and also prevents odor buildup. Now you need to place a cup of white vinegar on the top rack. Run a self-clean or the normal hot cycle with no dishes inside, and this also flushes out the internal residue. After the cycle, simply open the door and let the dishwasher air dry. You can wipe any remaining moisture for a fresh finish. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.